Once again, we are burning. And who's frying us? Miss Thandeka Shabalala. Now she's trending, not because of TV drama, no, not because of fan wars, or not because of mid or any ship. Her appearance at Icon Awards, she looked like a queen, regal, elegant, and everything you can name. Hi, welcome back. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and do comment in the comment section. Ever since she uploaded these photos this morning, the fans have been going wild. On Twitter, she's trending. Facebook, everyone is talking about her. She was wearing a white, elegant dress that brought glamour, confidence, and the star power to the event. And the sleek hairstyle, flawless makeup. I mean, one thing about Thandeka, she will not drown herself in the makeup. She will not paint herself with the makeup. She'll just enhance what she has. The eyebrows, tell me about her. Like, that hair looks good on her. That's a quality, premium, exclusive, can't tolagala hair. I mean, I don't wanna lie. And that overall, it just gave red carpet ready. Call me to the events and I'll grace them. And when we talk about the events that suit her caliber, that's the event. It's Icon Award. This is not Metro FM Music Awards. This is not Summer. This is Icon Awards, where you will see leaders, change makers, everyone who's in the industry of changing people's life. This is where you wear like that. You don't go dramatic. You just keep it regal, elegance, poised. And she looked comfortable in that dress. I don't wanna lie. She owned it, this thing about her and her confidence, that she can take a small little moment and make it her own it. In that, to me, I believe that she was the best dressed, jealous down, I don't want to lie, and she was the most elegant at that event. And the way she understood the assignment, and she never misses. One thing about her, she will not miss, and I love it for her. So, do you think that Thandeka will be gracing us with more award ready or this event of high caliber status look? Because I am, I am basking in her glory, in her aura. I'm just, I'm loving it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and do comment. I'll see you in my next video. Goodbye. Mwah.